She's a little sweet pea, though. She's a little sweet pea. Well, we're a 50-plus horse rescue located in Chino Hills, California. Actually, 62 horses today. And we rescue horses, slaughter-bound, starved, abandoned horses. We rehabilitate, retrain them, and then we find them forever homes. And we're taking this little sweet girl home, and we're going to love her up, and then we'll find her a forever home. She just needs a second chance, and that's what we specialize in. People don't understand that most rescue horses, there's nothing wrong with them. And 92% of horses that go to slaughter are perfectly good, healthy horses. Racetrack horses, family pets, children's ponies. So we really want to help educate people, and hopefully they'll come and adopt a horse before they'll breed one, certainly. Oh, bye, good girlfriend. Girlfriend. Okay. This is scary. This is scary. Can you see better over here? See better over here? Buddy's gonna miss her. Looking forward to going home, huh? You're sitting right there, girlfriend. Yep, oops. Hey, good girl. Pretty girl. There you go. You got that Vaseline and